Hi everyone, welcome to K-razzy Built. Today I'm going to share with you guys a problem that I faced recently. Few days ago, I noticed that after finish using and flushing the toilet, the water refilling the toilet tank starts to sound softly and it takes more than half an hour to fill the tank. Upon checking, I found out that the rubber that acts as a valve to stop the water when the tank is fully filled stuck inside the chamber. The rubber should be moving freely inside to let water flow freely. The reason why it is stuck is because over time the rubber expanded. After that, when the water is fully filled, it is then pushed by the floating ball to stop water flow. When the flushing happens next time, the rubber will remain at the same position. Depending on the force of the water, it is then being pushed out a little bit, resulting in tiny bit of water flowing into the tank, just like this. I solved the problem by reducing the size of the rubber just a little bit by cutting it like this. After cutting it into smaller size, now the rubber moves freely inside the chamber. I then reinstalled the whole mechanism and reopened the tap. As you can see, the water is flowing vigorously. Please be reminded that this is an emergency solution before you are able to get a replacement. Yes, finally we are done. After that, I went to a hardware shop to buy a spare, but the shop doesn't sell only the rubber. Instead, they sell the whole thing like this at less than 4 ringgit. My plan is to use the existing one until it is completely spoiled and then replace it with this new one. I hope that these shorts will be helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next video. Bye.